What's going on, guys? Shane here. Thanks for joining me. Hope you're all doing great. Well, today's going to be another really quick video where we're going to be quickly discussing Olight's upcoming Valentine's Day sale, which is, as of this video is being recorded, tomorrow. So I have 24 hours to get this video recorded for you guys, edited, and uploaded to YouTube. So I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get the camera over the table, talk about the lights, talk about the specials. Let's get it started. Alright guys, so the Valentine's Day sale is going to start at 8 p.m. on January 25th and roll on through until 11:59 on January 26th. Now that is Eastern Standard Time. What's really nice about Olight, they've been doing this for quite a while, is they do offer their VIP customers early access to the sales, to these limited edition lights. And they've actually had access to this going back to January 22nd. So it's just another reason for you guys to go on their website, find an EDC light, a weapons light, something you want, pick it up and start stacking those points. You get early access to these sales. Now, if you guys know you want to pick something up or you see something on the table here that you know you want, there's going to be a link down in the description to get you guys to the website to pick something up before it sells out. Now, I want to be honest with you guys, 100% transparent, that it is an affiliate link that costs absolutely $0 to you guys, an additional $1. $0 for you guys, but it just does a little bit of kickback for me to help support the channel. So again, if you want something here or something you see on the website that you like, now's the time. Use the link down in the description. And I should also mention, guys, that if you're ever shopping on Olight and you want something that is not on sale, if you use the code Musty10, I'll annotate on screen or down in the description, you can pick up anything and get, I believe, 10% off. So just again, another way Olight's helping hook you guys up with just a few extra dollars in your pocket. Now guys, I want to apologize for how fast this video is going to go. Like I said, I have about a day to get this whole thing done. So I'm just going to do some really quick bullet points about each of the lights they're featuring, the limited edition lights on the table here. And then on the side here, I'll annotate all the sales so you guys can pause it as I'm talking and just look to see what you want. If there's anything you do want, again, you can use the link down in the description below. Alright guys, so the first light I want to cover from Olight is the new Baton Pro. Now I do have the original Baton. I believe I left it downstairs. I'm in just such a rush to get this video done, I forgot it. But just to cover some really quick specs about this thing. Now this is a nice size EDC light. It does come with a double-sided clip that I really do appreciate. My wife appreciates this too. We use these double clips all the time to go on hats when we're working out in the dark outside. But this light, again, is a nice size EDC light. This thing pushes out a pretty nutty 2000 lumens, which is a lot for a light this small. Some of the things worth mentioning is you got some nice machine texturing here on the body, which makes it easy to get a really good grip on this thing. It has the well-known magnetic charging system that Olight's known for, which makes it really easy just to come home, slap the charger on this thing, and know that your light's going to be charged when you leave the house the next day. Also, we have a switch on the side here. Now this is it has a couple of brightness settings as you would expect from Olight, but also you guys can see it there inside is a little LED indicator that's going to help you identify where your light's at in case you don't want to charge it every night. So when you come home, you can quickly look at that light and know if you need to charge or not. So that is a quick look at the brand new Baton Pro. Alright, so the next light to talk about in the limited edition is the Open 2 in this, again, limited edition blue. Now, what's nice about this pin is it is obviously a 2-in-1. It is your pin and your EDC light, if you will, all in one package, which is really nice. The runtime on this guy is about 10 hours, but the really nice thing is you can recharge this whole thing in less than an hour. Inside is a rechargeable lithium battery, so you can just keep recharging it and get that 10-hour runtime. It does have a lever action, what do you call this, bolt action lever here to get the pin out, and it's I've noticed just in the limited time I've had it that it's a nice fidget tool, so I can see this is something you guys could play with in your office and drive your coworkers nuts. So yeah guys, just a really good looking, a really clean, a nice looking pin and light combo for your pocket or everyday use. Alright guys, I saved the best for last. The second limited edition light that they're featuring in this Valentine's Day sale is the Brass i5T EOS. Now, because this thing is made of brass, it's got some nice heft to it. I actually really like it. But again guys, this is a super limited edition, so if you are a brass fan and you know you want this light, use the link down in the description and pick it up. Just to talk about some of the features of this light is inside this thing is just rocking a single AA battery, but with that you're still able to get a max 300 lumen output with this thing. We do have the same pocket clip that I mentioned before, which again I absolutely love. It's made of brass as well. We also have a nice textured tail switch on the back, which again lets you get a couple of different modes of brightness with this light. We do have some nice helix knurling, I think that's what they call it, on the body to get you some really good grip. But just again, guys, it's a really good looking flashlight. Like I said, I enjoy brass. I have some brass EDC stuff and I really do enjoy it. So again, limited edition. If you like this, you're a brass guy, use the link down in the description below and pick it up. All right, so that about covers the limited edition lights, the lights they're featuring in this Valentine's Day sale. Hopefully, while I was talking about the lights themselves, I had on the side the specials, the specs about this thing, just so you guys can know a little bit more, because again, we're hurrying through this thing. But just to reiterate, limited edition O-Pin 2 in this blue is normally about 60 bucks, but it's marked down to $44. So you're saving, you know, 15 bucks there. And then the i5T EOS and brass limited edition coloring here is normally 40 bucks, I believe. It's marked down to about 31, 32. So you're saving 8 or 9 bucks there on this one. But they also have a bunch more on sale, guys. Again, all annotated on the side here. You can see they have the O-Pin 2 in blue, which we discussed. The PL Mini 2 in black, which you see here on my SIG. This is a fantastic light. If you guys want to see a video on this, click a link in the corner. It'll take you over to that video. But these are on sale in a pack with the i5T. You can see it in black, OD green. They have the S1R2 plus the Baton Pro. They have the i5T OD green, the i5T PU, the Warrior X, kind of like the Warriors I have here, the Warrior X Pro Black, the M1T Plus. As you can see from all that stuff on the side, guys, they have an absolute crap ton of stuff for sale. So if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that you see on the table, the stuff on the list, the limited edition lights you see here, again, use the link down in the description. Now let's talk about the cool stuff, and that is the free stuff. This is a really nice way of Olight just saying thank you to you guys for hopping on their website and picking up some lights. So if you guys do spend over $129, you're gonna get a free i3T in black, which is normally about 20 bucks. If you guys spend over $199, you get a free M1T Plus, which is normally about 60 bucks. If you guys spend over $300, you get a free Seeker 2, which is $109. So as you guys can see, the more you spend, the more you get for free. But it's just a nice way of Olight saying thank you to you guys. All right, guys, I think that about wraps up on covering all of the lights, all the special edition stuff, the deals, the package deals, all that stuff. I'm really sorry for rambling so fast and talking so fast, but again, I just have to work really quickly because I only have a day to get this thing done. So hopefully you saw something that you liked. Again, if you guys want some of these limited editions, make sure you do that quickly. For the 5th time, again, the link is down in the description below. Feel free to click on that and help support the channel. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I hope you learned something about one of these lights. Hopefully you go pick something up, start building up those points so you get early access to these sales and you can grab these things before they do sell out, because they always do. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a great week and a great week, a great month, a good year. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you next time.